Good morning and welcome to the channel, guys. Today's a big day. Today we are on our way to New York to go pick up the car, and I gotta go catch the bus. So this is the pickup from yesterday. I didn't go out to New York yesterday to pick up the car because it would have been not enough time. So I just said I'll leave a couple hours early today. Got out there because I gotta go to Manhattan and take the ferry right now. Then go to the DMV, get a temporary transporter tag, and then travel back. So that's why I'm on the bus. Gotta take the bus into New York City. And the bus is here when I already got here, but everything is working out perfectly for now. So I'll let you guys see some shots on the way there.
This is a TVB.
I wish I was in Cali, getting high with you, sitting LA cruising with nothing left to do. But I'm sitting in my window, watching cars go by, thinking about the times when your heart was inside.
All the patience made you tired. All the nights I made you cry.
When your heart was inside.
It was like it all went dry. Such pain I could see in your eyes.
When your heart was inside. Sometimes when you play in the game of love, you lose. Sometimes when you play in the game of love, you bruise. Sometimes when you play in the game of love, you choose. Not right that we play, but sometimes we play. And love's not a game. It's not a game to be played. Said love's not a game. It's not a game to be played. I think I'm sick and tired. I know I'm sick and tired. I wish I was in Vegas with you rolling dice, living fast lane life with Hennessy on ice. But I'm thinking about the days we should have spent away, and you don't even care. Now I'm feeling away. I wanna say that I hate you.
I lied. All the patience made you tired. All the nights I made you cry.
But the facts that I love you.
My pride. It was like it all went dry. Such pain I could see in your eyes.
Don't wanna say that I need you. Sometimes when you play in the game of love, you lose. Sometimes when you play in the game of love, you bruise. Sometimes when you play in the game of love, you choose. Not right that we play, but sometimes we play. And love's not a game. It's not a game to be played. Said love's not a game.
Oh man, I was on the whatever, and that's only half the trip. So pretty much took the bus to Penn Station, took the train downtown. Now it's time to take the ferry to Staten Island. Alright, so I had to climb up the stairs, and I'm up at the ferry. 10:13, and the next ferry comes at 10:30. So I'm waiting for 10:30, get on the ferry, So we're gonna take that to Staten Island.
Oh, what? JT didn't come with you guys? Just Megan and the kids and the kids? Oh, you did?
I think that's where the ferry had an accident a while back. Looks like they're doing some repairs, so probably might be going on over there. Alright, so that was like the longest trip ever. So the ferry was a quick trip, 25 minutes. So finally in Staten Island. From here now I gotta figure out how to get to the car. So I'm gonna put it in Google Maps. If it's close enough, I'll walk. If not, I'll find a bus. Here it is. 2002 Toyota Corolla. Never really looked at it up close, so I didn't know the imperfections in the paint. The two passenger side wheels need air, and there's a lot, tons of rust at the bottom. Those shocks look shot, so this thing actually might have to cost us some money, but it is what it is. I mean, for what I'm getting it for, can't really, I gotta do what I gotta do. Gotta put the money into it. Right now we're having trouble trying to get the door open, sticking the key inside, and can't get it unlocked, so we're gonna break in it and try, because we gotta get it started, and then I'm gonna go get a temporary transport tag for it. I also gotta clean this thing out. So we got into the car, we got it started, we got it running. Tons of rust, more rust than I was really expecting. This car isn't gonna pass inspection, but one thing for sure, another thing for certain, we gotta find somebody that knows how to weld, and we gon' fix it up ourselves. Alright guys, so I was too tired to post the video last night, so I decided I was gonna do it this morning. So pretty much this is what the car looks like. So I gotta go get a tire, which we don't have money for. And I gotta get the brake lines done, which I'm actually about to jack it up and look underneath. I gotta scrape those old New York City tags out the window. But last night it was dark out, but I kinda went over the all the dash and everything with a soap and water rag. Then I vacuumed it out. The mat is still disgusting, but I just said I'll keep the mat for now, and I'll vacuum out the back seats. There's like a God's blue book in here that I left in here. If you look, I mean, aside from the stains in the carpet, it's not bad. I could have hit that seat a little bit better, but I had the battery on the seat, and I was getting the floors real good, but I wanted to get these corners, get the cobwebs out and stuff. The ceiling lining is starting to come down. I'm gonna stick some thumbtacks up in there for now, but I scraped the crap out of these, so they're not sticky no more. They actually look good. They look clean. Need a new door handle. I actually gotta pull it forward in order to open the door. So door handle's broke on the driver's side, front, and I believe the back one. Yeah, the back door handle is broken too. The back back passenger window doesn't go down. Probably just the regulator. I'm afraid what lives behind that door panel actually. This is the side that was up against the fence and the bushes. So this was like the worst side. You got one little purple tint on the passenger side. I'm actually going to get a tint kit this week, payday, and I'm going to try and tint the windows myself and pop the hood. Look at that. Engine's not too bad, you know. It's a little corrosion down there. I noticed yesterday that as you can see, there's no belt on a compressor. Guess the compressor's bad. Summer's pretty much over, so I don't really care too much about the AC. I'll worry about the compressor later, but I gotta have the hole in the trunk addressed, because if I can't get this patched up, the car can't pass inspection. So check that out. I have to get that addressed. So but this car is going to be used to run the roadside business and possibly do some Uber. Who knows? If it's not too old. Got to get that tire swapped. And that's pretty much it. So let me know what you guys think. Comment below. What do you think I should do? The first thing I want to do is get wheels. These 14-inch rims ain't working for me. I'm going to try and find some 16s. I'm mostly seeing 17s online. I seen a pair this morning for $120. The tires were alright on them. So might go for them. I just been broke, so getting a car was hard enough. Alright guys, so I'm gonna come back with more updates on it. I had a terminal in the house. The car kept dying every time I turned it off because the terminal wasn't making contact. So I have to wiggle the terminal. So I actually fixed the terminal or whatever. So I fixed one of the terminals, and then I had a spare terminal because when I did the Patriots terminals, the negative terminal was bad, so I still had a good positive terminal. So I'm gonna go to Walmart and take this terminal back and get my $3 back. So that being said, see you guys later. See, yo, I put $15 in here. Drove home, still got a little less than a half a tank. Look how it starts right up. Look at that mileage. Turn key start right up. We gotta get behind this dash and get these lights working. I'm gonna start off with checking fuses and checking ground. But oh, see, when I came down in here with the rag last night, I didn't get it good because it's still a little dirty in here, but for the most part, I wasn't breathing in all that dust. So we're gonna hit it again with everything. So, alright guys, take care, have a great day, and I'll see you on the next upload.